Food is meant to bring people together, but some dishes push the limits of what we consider edible. Around the world, cultures have developed unique foods that spark curiosity, controversy, and sometimes even fear. From fermented shark to cheese crawling with live maggots, we're counting down 10 of the most controversial foods in the world. The question is, would you try them? Let's find out. We start our list in China with the infamous century egg. Despite its name, this preserved egg is aged for only a few months in a mixture of clay, ash, and quicklime. The result? A dark, jelly-like egg with a pungent, ammonia-like aroma. While some say it tastes rich and creamy, others can't get past the smell. Would you take a bite? Next up, Iceland's Hákarl, or fermented shark. This dish dates back to the Viking era, where shark meat was buried underground for weeks to remove its toxic properties. The end result? A chewy, ammonia-scented delicacy that even celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay once called the worst thing he's ever eaten. Brave enough to try it? Dubbed the king of fruits, durian is loved for its creamy texture but feared for its overwhelming smell, so strong that it's banned on public transport in some countries. Imagine a mix of rotten onions, sweaty socks, and sweet custard all in one bite. Would you give it a chance, or would the smell send you running? At number 7 we have balut, a fertilized duck egg that's boiled and eaten straight from the shell, partially developed embryo and all. A Filipino street food staple, it's said to be rich in protein and packed with flavor. But would you be able to handle the sight of it before taking a bite? Now let's talk about Casu Marzu, a cheese so extreme it's actually illegal in some places. This Sardinian delicacy contains live maggots that help break down the cheese, giving it a soft texture and strong flavor. The catch? You have to eat it before the maggots start jumping out. Are you up for the challenge? Deadly but delicious fugu, or pufferfish, is one of the most dangerous delicacies in the world. If prepared incorrectly, it contains lethal toxins that can kill in minutes. Only licensed chefs are allowed to prepare it, but would you trust them enough to give it a try? Ever heard of ant caviar? In Mexico, Escamoles are ant larvae harvested from agave plant roots and cooked into a buttery, nutty delicacy. Highly valued since the time of the Aztecs, this dish is often served in tacos. Would you be brave enough to take a bite? At number 3 we have black pudding, a traditional blood sausage from the UK and Ireland. Made from pig's blood, fat and oats, it's a hearty breakfast item that some love, while others find the idea of eating blood too much to handle. What do you think? Delicious or disgusting? At number 2 is Surströmming, a Swedish delicacy often ranked as one of the smelliest foods on earth. This fermented herring is so pungent that even opening a can indoors is considered a crime against humanity. But if you can get past the smell, locals say it's surprisingly delicious. Would you dare take the Surströmming challenge? And finally, our most controversial food, fried tarantula from Cambodia. Once a survival food during the Khmer Rouge era, these crispy spiders are now a popular snack. Deep fried and seasoned with garlic and salt, they're said to taste like crunchy chicken. But could you actually bite into a giant spider? Let us know in the comments. Food is an adventure, and sometimes that adventure is a little terrifying. Which of these controversial foods would you try, and which ones are an absolute no-go? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weird and wonderful food discoveries.